Welcome to Math Chinedu Hub class. Today we'll be looking at order of operation. We'll talk about order of operation. You need to understand this. This is Bodmas. We use this when there's mixture of different operation like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and so on. We get confused which one to solve first. That is why we need to understand this topic, order of operation. Now we have here, this B stands for brackets, O stands for off or order. D stands for division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, but we should always know that division is having the same thing as what? Multiplication. Same goes to addition and subtraction. They have the same rank. So that means if division comes first, you divide, or multiplication, anyone that comes first, you can always go for that one first. The same thing with addition here. If addition comes first, you can also what? Add or subtract. Whichever one that comes first, you should always go for that one first, because these two are having the same rank, same with division and multiplication. Okay, so we have the first question here, which says 20 divided by 5 plus 4 times 5. You'll be wondering, what do I do first? Okay, so in this case, we can divide first. Like I told you, anyone that comes first, you can divide or multiply first. You can divide first or multiply first. So 20 divided by 5 here, we are having 4. We bring our plus sign down, then 4 times 5, which is giving us what? 20, as you can see here. Okay, so 4 plus 20, we are now left with 24. This is the value, this is the answer to this question 1. The same thing with question 2. Question 2 says 50 minus 8 divided by 2 plus, in bracket, 3 times 5. You're like, okay, 50 minus 8 is wrong. No. First, we have to do what? Bracket. That's why I say here, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so here we have brackets. But remember, in question 1, there was no bracket. But because we have bracket here, we have to solve the bracket first. That means 3 times 4, which is giving us what? It's giving us 12. You bring your 12. You can bring others down. 2 here. 8 minus. Okay, good. So we have done this bracket on. The next thing is what? Off. We don't have off. We have division or multiplication. So we can here, of course, we have minus 8 divided by 2, which is giving us minus 4. So that means 50 minus 4. Okay, bring your plus sign down. We have 12. Good. Now here we are now having 50 minus 4. That is giving us what? 46. So we are having here 46 plus 12. And of course, 46 plus 12 is giving us what? 58. Good. So that means the value of this is equal to what? 58. Okay, let's look at the third question, which we have here. 200 divided by 5 minus, in bracket, 6 plus 2 raised to the power of what? 3. Good. Of course, the first thing we do here is bracket. First, we find 2 raised to the power of 3. And 2 raised to the power of 3 simply means 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 in 3 places. Good. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 raised to the power of 3 is giving us what? 8. Okay? So, and we have here 8 plus 6, which is 14. So we are having 14 here. And we bring these ones down. Divided here. Okay, 200. Good. So next thing we are having is 200 divided by 5. Of course, 20 divided by 5, which is giving us what? 4. And 0 divided by 5 is still 0, divided by 14. So you can see there is what? There is a progress. Okay, we have minus 14 divided by what? Minus 14. Okay, good. Minus 14. Remember I said here that 200 divided by 5, which is what? 40, minus what? 14. And of course, 40 minus 14, we can have it here like this. I say we don't use, in our class here, we don't calculator. We always work it out. 40 take away 14. 0 minus 4 is not possible. We borrow here. Put it here, becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. We are having 3 left. 3 minus 1, which is what? 2. So our answer is giving us 26. Okay, So let's look at this, the fourth question, which says 64 divided by, in bracket, 4 squared plus 18 minus 6. So first we have here, we work with the bracket first. That means 4 squared is giving us 16. 64 divided by 16. We bring these ones down, plus 18 minus 6. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do is that we're going to divide, because Bodmas, don't forget that, bracket of division, or you multiply. So we have to divide first. So this simply means 64 divided by 16. That is giving us what? 4. It's giving us 4. 64 divided by 16, we have what? 4. 4 plus 18 minus 6. Good. So 4 plus 18, that is giving us what? 22. 22, then minus what? 6. 22 minus 6, which is giving us what? 22 minus 6. You cannot go borrow here 12 here. 12 take away 6 is giving us what? 6. So we are having what? 16. So 22 minus 6 is giving us 16. So that means the answer to this question is what? 16. Okay, I said Bodmas, very important, very, very important. We say first you do brackets. There's no bracket, you do off. There's no off. Then division and multiplication. I told you they have the same rank. Then addition and subtraction. Anyone can go. Thank you for today's class. See you in my next class. Bye.